In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get verified in Telegram. If you are aiming for that blue checkmark on your Telegram channel or group, here is exactly how to prepare and submit your application in a way that's clear and efficient. First, make sure the Telegram presence you want verified is active, public, and has a significant following. That means your channel or group should be regularly updated, open to anyone to view, and showing real engagement. Take a moment to tidy up your profile photo, description, and username so everything looks professional and consistent. Next, Telegram requires external verification. You'll need verified accounts on at least 2 of these platforms: Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. Double check that those profiles are publicly visible and that their verification badges are clearly shown. Then, link your Telegram channel in the bios of those verified platforms. This is crucial because it confirms ownership. Copy the exact me link to your channel or group and place it in each profile's bio or about section. Keep your branding and usernames as consistent as possible across platforms to make the review straightforward. You'll also need media mentions. Gather at least 2 links to articles from reputable, independent media outlets that mention your organization. Make sure these are genuine editorial pieces that clearly reference your name or brand and save the full URLs. Avoid using URL shorteners. Full links help reviewers verify faster. When you are ready, open Telegram and search for @VerifyBot. You'll recognize the official bot, then start the process by tapping Start. The bot will guide you step by step. Follow the prompts to submit the links to your verified social profiles, ensuring your Telegram link is visible in their bios, and include the media articles you collected. If the bot requests documentation, provide the necessary proof of identity or organizational status as instructed. Throughout this process, keep your Telegram channel or group public and active, and don't change usernames while under review. After submission, wait for Telegram's decision. Reviews can take time, so be patient and keep notifications on. Continue posting normally to demonstrate ongoing activity. If approved, the blue checkmark will appear on your channel or group. If you are not approved, review the feedback. Strengthen any weak areas like adding clearer bio links or more credible media mentions and apply again once everything meets the criteria. That's the process from start to finish. Thanks for watching.